I'm here with Peter Young of Priority One Computers, and today we're going to be talking about some technology that I guess in an essence affects animal behavior.
Exactly. You know, we all live around animals these days, and sometimes they cause some problems with our yards and quietness and noise, etc. So we have some products here to address all those issues.
And what do we got on this end here?
This little guy here is when we have the deer coming into our yard and eating all our favorite plants. This here senses the deer coming into the yard and actually sends an ultrasonic whistle back at the deer, scaring them off and sending them away.
Now, how does it know it's a deer?
It doesn't.
Okay.
But the signal that's sent back to the deer is triggered so that only the deer or a small animal would hear it. So nobody else hears that.
So it would affect another animal, a raccoon, or what about people's pets then?
To a small degree, but it's only to scare them away from that small bed of plants. So it's not going to hurt them or injure them in any way.
So you'd set up more than one of these around your whole
if you
garden?
Had a large area, yeah.
Like golf courses?
Yeah,
yeah,
exactly.
To keep the elk off?
But it's primarily just to protect that small area of rose beds or plants or something like that.
Okay, and now this one affects if you have rodent problems? Or
Yep,
yeah.
Mice, etc., rats. You plug them into an electrical outlet and it'll keep them away from that area, that room.
So that's a great
it
alternative to having chemicals in the house.
Exactly, yeah,
You just plug it in, it's just a sound that humans can't hear, but the rodents do.
Yep, and they move on to somewhere else.
All right, and this one I know is really popular with dog owners, and it sounds like it also could be popular with people who don't even own dogs. This keeps dogs from barking?
Correct, yep, there's an indoor model, there's an outdoor model, and even one you can carry when you're going on walks. You can trigger it manually, but essentially this unit listens for a dog bark. When it hears it, it sends an ultrasonic whistle back, like the old dog whistles we used to have, and they learn very quickly. Every time they bark, they get a shrill and that we don't hear. And they learn to stop barking very quickly. But also, if you have a neighbor's dog that's barking, you can put this out in the yard and it will take care of that problem too.
So if you're living next to someone who has a dog, you can't keep quiet. You hook this up to your patio or wherever.
Mm-hmm.
Plugs in, and that dog will then hear it and presumably will stop barking.
Yep.
And this one, just quickly before we go, this one is to keep mosquitoes away?
Yeah, instead of having to lather up with chemicals and such, you can just clip this on your belt and it puts out a spray around you and keeps mosquitoes away.
And can you use it for like on your deck or just to keep it away from an area?
Yep.
Oh, that's really smart too, to keep chemicals away, I guess, using it electronically.
Much better.
All right, thanks a lot, Peter. Thanks for taking the time.